Welcome back. In this video, we're exploring the third risk in the OWASP Top 10 for LLM applications, supply chain risks. When people think about AI security, they often focus on the large language model itself. But in reality, an AI application is built using many different components, and every one of those components can become an attack vector. Let's take a look at the architecture shown here. An AI application doesn't operate in isolation. It depends on third-party libraries, plugins, frameworks, datasets, pre-trained models, APIs, and external cloud services before delivering results to users. If any one of these components is compromised, the security of the entire AI application can be affected. For example, imagine your AI application uses an open-source package that contains malicious code or downloads a poisoned machine learning model from an untrusted source. Perhaps it relies on a vulnerable plugin or an external API that has already been compromised. Even though your application code may be secure, an attacker can still exploit these trusted dependencies to gain access, manipulate AI responses, steal sensitive information, or inject malicious behavior into your system. This is exactly why supply chain security has become one of the biggest concerns in modern software development, and it's even more important for AI applications. In the AI ecosystem, vulnerabilities or malicious code can be introduced at any point in the supply chain. Some common risks include malicious software packages, compromised libraries and dependencies, untrusted datasets, or pre-trained models, vulnerable third-party integrations, poisoned training data, and insecure external services. The consequences can be severe. A successful supply chain attack may lead to data breaches, system compromise, loss of customer trust, financial losses, and long-term reputational damage. So, how can organizations reduce this risk? Always use trusted and verified software sources. Keep dependencies updated and regularly scan them for known vulnerabilities. Validate AI models and datasets before using them. Continuously monitor third-party services and maintain a software bill of materials, or SBOM, to understand exactly what components your AI application depends on. Remember, your AI application is only as secure as the weakest component in its supply chain. In our next video, we'll explore risk number 4, data and model poisoning, where attackers manipulate training data or models to influence AI behavior and produce incorrect or malicious outputs. I hope this video helped you understand the importance of supply chain security in AI and why it's one of the OWASP Top 10 risks for LLM applications. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to AI Safety 9 for more tutorials on AI security, large language models, AI agents, and cybersecurity best practices. Thank you.